Okay, I want to ask about your school and education. Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
How are you this afternoon?
I'm very well, thank you.
What is your name?
My name is Rafael Jansen.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
What class are you in?
I am three standard.
Where do you go to school?
I go to school at high school today in Meta.
Do you go to school every day?
Yes, I do. No, in holiday.
How many days do you go to school in a week?
5 days in a week.
What days on holiday?
Saturday and Sunday.
How do you go to school?
I go to school on
How far from your home to your school?
about 500 meters.
With whom do you usually go to school?
My friends.
Okay. What is your favorite subject?
Favorite subject is Bahasa Indonesia.
Okay. Do you have any friends at school?
Yes, I have.
How many students at your classroom?
So, thank you.
Okay. Okay. Do you like study?
Yes, I do.
What is your dream?
My dream is police.